In Germany?
Yes. Could you open the presentation?
Yes.
Perfect.
Oder egal. Ist sie okay? Okay?
From here? Okay. So we have to apologize. We also didn't take the first poetess.
Die erste
Because-
Vicky Awa.
The first one was named Vicky Ava, but it was in Old German, and even Germans couldn't understand that. She was just the first listed in history because, she was writing about religious things, but really not understandable. So we didn't think that that's the main point. So we took one which was living in the 19th century, Else Lasker-Schüler, and she was a Jewish German poet and a famous playwright. And playwright famous for her bohemian lifestyle in Berlin. A very free woman. She married 2 men. Later, she was one of the few women affiliated with the Expressionists movement, and she fled Nazi Germany and lived out the rest of her life in Jerusalem because, Jewish Germany was horrible. And even though she suffered so much pain and problems, she never wrote about that in her poems, but just about nice things like love and good experiences, and never about the pain she suffered. So one
Also,
poem.
darf ich noch das sagen, ja?
Ja.
Also, diese Dichterin ist sehr, sehr wichtig für die deutsche Sprache, für die Vertretung der deutschen Poesie, weil die erste Expressionistin ist. Und sie hat wahnsinnig viel gelitten. Ihr Leben bestand aus viel Not und Leid.
So she's very important for the German history because she was the first woman in Expressionists, and because it was exactly at the time where the Nazi movement started.
Und in keinem Gedicht geht es um den Krieg,
Ja, das hat schon
um die
gesagt.
Leiden. Also
Ja.
Poesie, sie ist voll Liebe und Lebensfreude.
So the poetry is just about love and the joy of life.
Und ich rezitiere jetzt einer der besten und meinen Lieblingsgedichten von ihr, und das heißt Ein alter Tibet-Teppich. Und sie hat auch viele Wörter erfunden in der deutschen Sprache, Neologismen.
She reinvented a lot of words in the German language, and she's reading out her favorite poem right now, which is over there, the English translation on the right side. And
Ich rezitiere jetzt auf Deutsch. Deine Seele, die meine liebet, ist verwirkt mit ihr im Tibet-Teppich. Strahl in Strahl verliebte Farben, Sterne, die sich himmellang umwarben. Unsere Füße ruhen auf der Kostbarkeit, Maschen 1000 aber Maschen weit. Süßer Lamason auf Moschus Pflanzenthron, wie lange küsst mein Mund den deinen und wankt die Wange, bunt geknüpfte Zeit und schon.